Hello there. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet to understand how to sell items on eBay. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for eBay. Once you do that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And now in order for you to go ahead and sell, all you need to do is click on this sell button on the top right. But before that, make sure that you are logged into your account. So simply click on sell. And once you do that, it's going to go ahead and take you right over here where it says list an item. Simply click on list an item. And now simply go ahead and tell them what you're selling. So for example, I'm selling a mobile. Go ahead and click on search. Once you do that, it's going to say select a brand. So for example, I'm selling Apple, right? Then you can simply go ahead and choose other things. So for example, Apple, iPhone, let's say I'm selling 15 Pro Max. And let's say it's a unlocked carrier, it's a 256 GB, it's a black titanium, and condition is open box but used, and scratches good, and comes with charger and cable, original box, and no accessories. That's it. And simply go ahead and click on continue to list. And once you do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter the photos that there could be. There's also a stock photo that you can go ahead and add, and all you need to do is just simply go ahead and list it by clicking on here, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.